Hello guys, and welcome to this course. So today we are starting the HTML section of this course. Okay, so what actually an HTML file is, or what does HTML stands for? So the full form of HTML is hypertext markup language. Everything you see on internet, any page you can say, consider like we are opening this Wikipedia. So this page is also an HTML page, or let's say Reddit. So this page is also an HTML page. So what we are covering in this section is the basic structure of an HTML file, or say HTML document. You can use any IDE or text editor of your choice. Here we will be using Sublime Text because that's my preference. You can choose any. So in Sublime Text, whenever you start writing any code, let's say an HTML file, you have to just define the type of document, so which type of document it is. So you have to just write open angular brackets, then exclamation sign, and say document HTML and close it. Okay, then we will be writing the actual HTML code. So the first tag which is of importance is the HTML tag. Okay, so anything between the HTML tag means that it is the HTML code. So the next tag of importance is the body tag. Okay, so what is this body tag about? So everything is incorporated between the opening and closing body tag refers to that this thing should be seen in the main browser window. Whatever you are seeing in the browser, so where that comes from, it comes from the body tag. Whatever code you are going to write in this body tag, that will be going to be shown in the main browser window. Okay, so we have forgotten here the head tag. Okay, so what is the importance of, say, this head tag? So the head tag consists the information about the page, not rather than the actual information which is shown in the main browser. So head tag always consists of the title tag. So here we can say title 1, and we will be closing it. So this title will be shown in the above where you are typing your URL, or in the tab section above. We will be seeing in just a few moments. So the next tag which we are going to discuss here is the head tag. So here in HTML we have 6 different headings available, starting from H1 to H6. So H1 is the main heading tag, and H6 is the, you can say, the least bold and least important heading tag. So we will be writing everything from H1 to say H6, and let us see what is the difference between them. Okay, so let me copy this, and okay, so let me get rid of this. Okay, so here I can just simply select this H1 and press Ctrl D. So it is going to select every one in the entire HTML document. I am just simply going to change it by 2, and here we will be going to do like H3, here H4, here H5, and here H6. Okay, so let me write here something like title 1, here say title 2, and let me just copy paste this because everything is going to be same. Okay, so let us save this, and we will be going to save in the desktop, and we are going to name it as let's name it first.html and save it. Okay, so you can see that it changes its color of the certain elements, so they are say keyword. Okay, so we go first.html, just right click and open with your default browser. Here we can see the title which was shown where we have written, let me show you. Okay, so let's keep it side. So title of our document was title 1, so here we can see title 1, and this is the head tag. So here we can see that the title is displayed here, and from h1 to h6 we can see the titles of different boldness and different sizes. Okay, so let us just simultaneous code and see what happens when we add certain text. If suppose we want to write a paragraph of text, so we can use a p tag. You can just write p and give a tab. So let us say this is a paragraph, just save it and refresh it, so you can see that here. Okay, space, it's one paragraph, and paragraph, and just and refresh. You are going to see difference right now, but when your actual text between this paragraph tag is large enough, you are going to build diff space. Okay, so the next tag which we will be discussing here is let's say href tag.